This card. It's 25. Where A times C. 5 times 5. To get a negative number, what does it have to be? It goes negative. Alright? Since 5 is positive, make it positive. Okay, if the first number is negative, then I would put it negative 5. It is. Okay. So you got negative 25 and negative 1, right? Right, good, okay. So that's this. Negative 26, that's this, okay. So then I put it here. Okay, do my parentheses. Right. And again, cover this up. What can I pull out here? Right, just 1x, right? 1x. And that leaves me with 5x. And I took the x away, so it's just 5x minus 1. Right? And then here, negative 25 and 5. Negative 5, right? If the first number is negative, take the negative. You know 5 goes into 25 and 5 goes into 5. Since it's negative, I'm going to take negative 5. Right? And then that leaves me with 5x. 5 divided by negative 5 is negative 1. Okay? That also satisfies, remember we said these would be the same. Okay? Also, we said if these are both negative, these both need to be negative. Okay? So that gives me x minus 5 times 5x minus 1. Y'all are getting pretty good at this, right? I know it's like weird. A lot of algebra 2 is kind of like weird. But you're doing pretty good, okay? Considering that it's weird, right? It's like upper level, higher level stuff. This is maybe the highest level math most of y'all are going to take. Because even next year, if you're a junior now, independent math studies, I don't know that it's necessarily harder than algebra 2. Okay? I think it's just a different level, a different math, maybe on the same level. Okay? Okay. One more. All right. 4x squared minus 49. I wrote too big. No, not space. 4x squared minus 49. Okay, what's missing? A, B, or C? B. B, right? So it should really be 4x squared because we don't have an x. 0x minus 49. Right? So this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, this is a special one. That's why we're going to go over it because there's a little trick to it that maybe you can take a shortcut. Okay? But do you notice anything about 4x squared and 49? Do you notice anything about those numbers?
They both have 4.
Right, they do both have 4. That's one thing. Anything else?
One is positive.
All right, one's positive, one's negative. That is something that's important to this type of problem.
When you divide it to decimal.
All right, when you divide it to decimal. Anything about these? Are they a certain type of number?
Odd and even.
All right. Yes. Right, that's not what I was thinking, but yes. Okay. No, y'all are coming up with good things. When I tell y'all the list stuff. Right, what, huh?
If you do.
Yeah, okay, that's what I'm saying. If you divide it like, 4, I mean, 2 and 2 and 49 is
Yes. All right, Kirsten came up with it. What are those called? 4 is, she said 4 is 2 times 2. 49 is 7 times 7. What are those called? Squares. These are square numbers. Okay, yes. Good, Kirsten. Good. Those are all good, though. I like to hear what y'all are thinking because I'm like, oh, I didn't even think of that. All right, they're not exactly the same. These are the same as these, so that is the same. All right, okay, so that's important. I'm going to show you. Okay, we'll do A times C. What's 4 times 49? Or 4 times negative 49? Negative 196. Okay, and what's our B? 0. Okay, so 196, that's a big number. It's negative. So that means we're going to have 1 negative and 1 positive. Because it's okay, and to add up to 0, to get 1 negative number plus 1 positive number, what do the numbers have to be to add up to 0?
1 positive, 1 negative.
All right, that'd be 1 positive, 1 negative. All right, they don't necessarily have to be squares, but they have to be, could it be